Lebanon is unique for many reasons, one of which is its diaspora. There are over 10 million people of Lebanese descent in the world. Most have lost contact with their relatives, their heritage, or their original identity. To entice them to visit Lebanon and discover their roots, the Lebanese Ministry of Tourism will be launching an historical initiative, ANA, an exclusive program that aims to encourage every diaspora member to visit Lebanon at least once. This unique journey is like a pilgrimage to their ancestors' motherland, a once-in-a-lifetime voyage to their roots. To encourage the largest number of people, especially the young generation, to embark on this life-changing trip, the Lebanese Ministry of Tourism is creating incentive packages with exclusive rates to suit all budgets. It all starts on the ANA website. Visitors need to register online, enter their family information and choose one of the 4 packages: 12 or 24 days, standard or premium. Once the purchase is completed, applicants will receive preliminary data about their Lebanese roots and detailed information about the trip. Privileged treatment awaits first-time visitors. After a warm welcome at the airport in a dedicated booth, ANA visitors will be whisked away on a memorable voyage by a guide certified by the ministry. A typical stay comprises discovery of the capital Beirut, visits to Lebanon's main landmarks and museums, tours of rural areas in line with the focus given by the Ministry to rural tourism, a stay in the village of origin and reconstitution of the family tree, bonding with locals, Lebanese dialect crash courses, Lebanese cuisine workshops, initiation to Lebanese culture, history and values, professional and social networking, and a dedicated help desk for formalities and inquiries. The stay, which can be personalized, ends with a ceremony during which an ANA certificate is presented. To reach the largest number of the diaspora worldwide, the ministry will be launching a campaign on online and offline media. A special committee will be appointed by the ministry to secure coordination with relevant parties, including governmental and non-governmental bodies, as well as the private sector. This strategic and visionary movement strikes at the core of the Lebanese identity and won't just leave a mark on travelers' lives, but will also stimulate local tourism and economy, building a true diaspora policy for generations to come, both on national and transnational levels. Lebanon needs its diaspora, and the diaspora needs Lebanon.